So in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace this little guy, which is called a thermostat. If you're having an overheating issue, this is something to consider. It could be your issue, it cannot, but definitely something you should check and replace if needed. Oh shit. Alright, so the thermostat on this Evinrude 225 2006 etec is right here. You got one thermostat in this housing and one thermostat in this housing. So what we'll do is we'll unscrew the cap, take it out, and replace it. Alright, so first I'll put this here. Like I said, it's right here on this cap. Just gonna unscrew this. See all that like corrosion and stuff coming off? Jeez. Nice and easy. So sometimes this stuff can be brittle, so you just want to be easy with it. Alright. Look at all that. Did you come to help? Huh? Hey, did you come to help? A little worker right there, boy. Come on. Ooh. Look at that. Nastiness. Nastiness. Dirty. Get that all cleaned up before I put that back in there. So I don't know if you saw in the other shot, but this hole was pretty much clogged. See how now it's cleared out? All this is kind of cleaned up as best as possible without taking too much off. So yeah, definitely want to open this up and make sure this little passageway is cleared and all that corrosion's out of there. Alright, so here's the old cap. You don't really need to replace the whole cap, I just decided to do it anyways. This is the old, take the old O-ring out there, old cap, brand new O-ring. Put a little bit of, I like to put a little bit of marine grease there, just a little. Put that on the cap, like so. Put that to the side. This is the old thermostat. Take the spring off. You see there's another O-ring there. So I'll take this. Brand new one. Brand new O-ring. Now there's a channel inside this O-ring. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but you got to get obviously the channel on the edge right here. So what we'll do is drop it down in there, and then just want to be good with it. Get like push one side in like so, and then just It's hard to do it on the video end. Just feed it. There we go. Oh. Now you see how it's on that side there and that side there. Take the spring, put the spring down in there like so, and then that's how it goes, like that. Working on the boat, it's way more enjoyable when you got yourself a little bit of Islamorada beer. So let's put this in and finish the job up real quick. All right, let's take this like so, brand new one. You're gonna just drop her all in there. Make sure she's even, sitting in there good. So I just do it snug, like so. All right, so we got that installed. I got to do the other one on this side, but I figured it's the same process as this, nothing different. So that's it. Hope that helps somebody in their do-it-yourself video. So this repair, what, took 5-10 minutes, and they're probably gonna charge you $300-$500 to do this, when literally the parts cost me, I don't even know, maybe like $100 for those thermostats and caps. Like, if you can do it yourself, do it yourself. With that being said, like and subscribe. Have a good, blessed day, y'all.